Today, we're checking out the top 5 best Airbnbs to stay at in Bali. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and comment saying I subscribed, and we will personally respond to your comment. All the links to each property will be in the description. Also, make sure to watch until the end to discover the top Airbnb in all of Bali. Without further ado, let's get into the video. One of more than 17,000 islands in all of Indonesia, Bali shines brighter than any other exotic sea-surrounded land. The seemingly never-ending list of gorgeous beaches is the most obvious reason to visit this tropical oasis in the Indonesian archipelago. Of course, each beach is unique itself, but overall, from soft white sand and limestone cliffs to competitive water sports and diving, there really is no shortage of beauty and fun at this gorgeous island. But Bali goes deeper than its beautiful appearance. It's also home to numerous rich cultures. The Balinese hold celebrations year-round that tourists often take part in. From the Omedan Kissing Festival to shoreside ceremonies, there is really no shortage of things to do in this bustling, exotic paradise. Aside from activities, Bali is actually home to some of the world's most luxurious and beautiful homes that just so happen to double as being Airbnbs. Pack your bags and strap into those airplane seats because this destination is waiting for you. Here are the top 5 Airbnbs in Bali. Number 5. Villa Gita Segara, Bali. Boasting a gorgeous beachfront location, Villa Gita Segara transforms both indoor and outdoor spaces into one that makes for a seamless experience. Positioned in the middle of a fruitful coconut grove, this villa's double pavilions are joined by tropical gardens overlooking a large swimming pool to accentuate the airy environment. All 4 king bedrooms come with ensuite bathrooms standard, and of course, enjoy ocean views, just as the majority of Villa Gita Segara Bali's interior spaces also do. From a state-of-the-art and fully equipped kitchen to a large formal dining space, and of course, the airy living room, there's no shortage of luxury in this all-encompassing Airbnb. There's even a guest pavilion that holds another 2 large bedrooms if you need to separate yourself and your partner from the kids in the main house. This villa really does serve as one of the most versatile Airbnbs in the area. If you're in the market for something that's in close proximity to the waters, look no further than your own private stretch of sand, or take a stroll on over to Kandidasa, Bias Tuggal, and Blue Lagoon beaches. You can book this gorgeous stay for just $613 a night. Number 4. Villa Maridadi. Its Swahili meaning of beautiful is perfect for this property. Take a step into this stunning destination villa plopped right on the black sand beaches of Chamagi Beach. The villa has an illustrious feel with both traditional Balinese construction and modern feels that combine to deliver a comforting stay here. Not only is this large listing able to accommodate up to 10 guests with 5 large bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms, but it is also surrounded by encapsulating panoramic views of the beautiful Indian Ocean, perfect for the destination vacation of a lifetime. Vibrant red tones accent the villa throughout the furnishings and flora that combine to produce an amazing contrast to the shimmering blue waters it overlooks. Consider diving into the 65-foot green stone-wrapped swimming pool, or stop by the game room equipped with snooker and table tennis. Additionally, the estate actually has a semi-private tennis court as well that is shared with the neighboring villa. Are you the adventurous type? It's a good thing Villa Maridadi is only a few short kilometers away from the Tanah Lot, the most revered sea temple in all of Bali, making for a great tourist spot. You can book this luxury stay for just $747 a night. Number 3. Taman Ahimsa. Not all too far from the previous listing, Villa Maridadi, Taman Ahimsa also features gorgeous ocean views, but has the added unique perk of an indoor and outdoor transformative experience like no other. Guests staying here will step into what it means to live in style on a tropical paradise island like Bali. Maybe it's the massive lagoon-style pool with ocean views, or the tiki hut-style rooftops of the surrounding structures on this property, or even the sheer amount of fruit trees that help transform this gorgeous stay into a culturally immersive experience for the ultimate tourist. Maybe sit back and allow the private masseuse to relax your travel muscles in one of the villa's private pavilions next to the lagoon-style infinity pool. Would you believe this property is able to accommodate up to 14 guests, with 7 bedrooms that feature 7 large beds and 7.5 bathrooms? From the unique charm of a fully equipped kitchen perfect for large gatherings, and the master suite that features thatched ceilings, tall windows, and alfresco bathrooms, this is an Airbnb fit for royalty. You can book this stay for $1,251 a night. Number 2. Ceris Beach Estate. For those in the market for a luxurious modern farmhouse, Americanized style stay in an exotic location, Ceris Beach Estate might just be the perfect Airbnb for you. This estate actually comprises of 2 luxury villas located in the serene rural village on Bali's southwestern coast. Both overlook the gorgeous sights of the Indian Ocean. You'll find that the outdoor living spaces feature sun loungers and even a rooftop terrace that brings you into a perfect relaxation as you take in the gorgeous ocean views. Maybe you want to enjoy peaceful lunches and exotic dinner meals in the covered dining pavilion, and then take a stroll down to the beach, which is conveniently in front of the property. Kids can enjoy the technology perks of this villa, with all gaming consoles and even a 60-inch smart television available for your stay, while the adults might want to enjoy the services of a full-time manager, team of butlers, and even 24-hour security, topped off with a private chef to craft you and your guests the perfect meals to take your vacation to the next level. The interiors of this estate are large, open-concept living spaces with furnishings that resemble the contemporary luxury designs of American homes, clocking in at a total of 11 bedrooms that each feature an ensuite bathroom. The Ceris Beach Estate can actually accommodate up to a whopping 24 guests. That number is largely unknown for Airbnbs in this area. It is the combination of all these perks that place this listing so high on our list. You can book a stay here for $2,304 a night. Number 1. Villa Nora. If you're in the market for a contemporary accented luxury stay that combines with gorgeous hints of cultural heritage, Villa Nora might just be the perfect match for you. From its cliffside outdoor spaces that feature a wide and large greenery area perfect for sports, many sun lounge chairs, and especially the massive infinity pool, there really is no shortage of activities to take part in out here. The interiors, on the other hand, feature uniquely high ceilings that are lined with massive wooden beams that bring the spaces together to the perfect breadth of luxury for anyone looking to stay at this gorgeous villa. Able to accommodate up to 10 guests, Villa Nora holds 5 large bedrooms that feature 5 large beds that are covered with canopies that bring comfort to the next level, as well as 5.5 bathrooms. Better yet, a full staff is available to service your private infinity pool, home theater, and bar. Even the nearby resort spa, beach club, and tennis courts are available to you minutes away. This is most definitely not one to miss out on, as it tops our list of best Airbnbs in all of Bali. You can book this stay for $2,753 a night. Well, there you have it. Bali is a unique island destination perfect for tourists around the world to enjoy. These 5 Airbnbs are prime examples of pushing the limits of luxury living across the island. What's stopping you? From the affordable Villa Gita Segara Bali to the breadth of luxury at Villa Nora, these 5 listings are top-notch. Thanks so much for watching. Comment below the property you like the most. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a new video. Want to see more top Airbnbs in Asia? Click on this video next.